Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Connecting your Huawei Watch 3 just got significantly easier with the latest 2025 software update. This new version simplifies the entire pairing process, removing old complexities and ensuring a smooth, reliable connection every single time. You'll experience enhanced performance and unlock new features that were previously unavailable, like advanced health tracking. Get ready to enjoy a more integrated and seamless smartwatch experience right from the start, truly maximizing your device's potential. Before diving into the connection process, a few quick checks ensure everything runs perfectly. First, make sure you've downloaded the official Huawei Health application onto your smartphone. This is crucial for managing your watch. Next, fully charge both your Huawei Watch 3 and your phone, ideally to at least 50% battery. Finally, double-check that Bluetooth is active on your phone and that your Watch 3 is powered on and ready to go. These simple steps prevent common hiccups. Now let's get your devices talking. Open the Huawei Health application on your smartphone and tap on the Devices tab, then select Add Device. From the list of options, choose Smartwatch and specifically select your Huawei Watch 3 model. A pairing request will then appear on both your phone and your watch screens. Simply confirm this request on both devices, and a successful connection message will soon appear. It's truly that straightforward. Encountering a hiccup? Don't worry, most connection issues are easily resolved. If your Watch 3 isn't pairing, try restarting both your watch and your smartphone first. This often clears minor glitches. If that doesn't work, head into your phone's Bluetooth settings and clear the cache for Bluetooth. Additionally, always confirm that the Huawei Health application has all required permissions enabled in your phone settings. These quick fixes solve the vast majority of problems quickly and efficiently. Once connected, the real fun begins. You can now personalize your Huawei Watch 3 by customizing watch faces and fine-tuning notification settings directly within the Huawei Health application. Dive deep into the advanced health tracking features, monitoring everything from heart rate to sleep patterns with precision. Your data will seamlessly synchronize between your watch and phone, providing a comprehensive overview of your well-being. Enjoy a truly integrated and smarter lifestyle with your updated Huawei Watch 3.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.